Potentially unwanted programs with browser hijacking capabilities remain a persistent nuisance for internet users worldwide. One such threat that has garnered attention is a PUP associated with webvalid.co.in. The intrusive actions associated with this program can disrupt browsing experience, jeopardize online security, or even expose users to malware infections. Understanding the nature of this threat and knowing how to remove it effectively is crucial for maintaining a secure online environment. The presence of the PUP associated with webvalid.co.in typically manifests as either unwanted browser, redirects, or intrusive and unexpected advertisements. These redirects or ads often promote dubious products, services, or websites and may contain misleading or deceptive content. Users are commonly redirected to the webvalid.co.in domain, where they may encounter additional pop-ups or prompts to download potentially harmful software. The presence of the PUP associated with webvalid.co.in can have several adverse effects on affected systems, including disruption of browsing experience. Constant pop-ups can interrupt normal browsing activities, making it difficult to navigate websites effectively. Privacy concerns. Webvalid.co.in may use cookies to track users' online activities, including browsing history and search queries, leading to potential issues. Exposure to malware. Clicking on these pop-ups can inadvertently lead users to deceptive websites or even trigger the download of malware onto their devices. How I can avoid the PUP associated with webvalid.co.in. Keep software updated. Ensure that your operating system, web browsers, and security software are always up to date with the latest patches and updates. Exercise caution online. Avoid clicking on suspicious links, ads, or pop-ups, especially those offering questionable or too good to be true deals or promotions. Use ad blocking extensions. Consider installing ad blocking browser extensions to minimize the risk of encountering intrusive advertisements. Be selective with downloads. Only download software from reputable sources and be wary of free downloads from unfamiliar websites. Regular system scans. Schedule regular scans of your system with anti-malware software to detect and remove any potential threats proactively. Webvalid.co.in associated redirects pose a threat to users' online security and browsing experience. By understanding the nature of this threat, following the provided removal guide and prevention best practices, users can safeguard their systems against such intruders and enjoy a safer online environment.
You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.